Hello guys, yeah. So what's up? So a lot of people has basically been asking how do you make use of Pancakeswap and all that. So for you to make use of Pancakeswap, there are several wallets you can basically use, but I'm using Trust Wallet for this tutorial, right? You could basically use Token Pocket, SafePal, any wallet that has the dApps function or the dApps browser. You can use it to access the Pancakeswap. But the wallet I'm going to be using tonight is going to be Trust Wallet, right? So first and foremost, apart from your Trust Wallet, you have to have your your Binance Smart Chain, which is this one right here. So for this tutorial sake, I just have $3 there in that wallet. So all you need to do is just click here. You could basically access your Pancakeswap in your popular section or in your DeFi protocol section. Do you understand? You see it in your DeFi protocol. But for tutorial 6, let's just go directly by pasting the link directly, so it will be pancake swap dot finance, right? So once you've put in that, then you just click on it. Please make sure you change the protocol here. It has changed. Okay, let's just connect. Let's change the protocol here to Binance Smart Chain. Very, very important. If not, so it won't function. So we actually changed it, and if you're coming here for the first time, it's going to be logged out. Do you understand? So let's just go back. Let's just go back again. So we're gonna paste it again. Pancake. I have a reason for that. Pancake swap dot finance. So just click on it again. So remember, you're gonna be changing this to this top icon, Ethereum icon, to Smart Chain, right? So once you do that, if you're coming for the first time, then it's going to show you connect. But if you have been using Pancakeswap, then it will look exactly like the previous section which I did before I logged out, right? So all you need to do now is just click on connect, pick the wallet you're going to be using, which I'm using Trust Wallet, right? You could see other wallets that can access Pancakeswap, right? So I'm going to be picking Trust Wallet. So you could see it has finally connected. For the newbies, those that don't know how to use Pancakeswap, you see it's connected, show your address. So all you need to do now is click on this toggle right here. Jeez, click on this toggle. Sorry about those notifications. Click on trade, come to exchange. So you come there, then this is where you perform the magic, buying any token or converting from any token to another token. So you could see the top one here shows you your Binance Smart Chain, and this one tells you to select a currency. So if you are converting from one currency to the other, then you're going to select on the other currency. And now we are going to be buying, or I'm just going to be showing you how to basically buy your hodl or any other token. So once you click here, then you paste the amount. Probably you're converting from taking for example, you're converting your Binance Smart Chain. So all you need to do is just click on max, or you could just basically type out the digits. So we are going to be clicking on 0.097. So it's going to show you the total number of hodl we got with that amount of BNB that or Binance Smart Chain we typed in. So if you want to use any other kind of token, you could just basically come here, select the kind of token you want to convert from to your Binance, is to your hodl or to any token you're buying exactly. This is just to familiarize yourself. So once you click on it, let's use doc for example. We are converting doc to hodl. So if I'm pasting this, I clicked on max, you can see this is the total number of hodl I get. So let's just click on approve. I'm just doing this for tutorial sake. Make sure you have a very good some amount of Binance Smart Chain. It's very, very important. Then since this doc has never been used to exchange to hodl before, that's why it's telling you to first approve it before swapping. Do you understand? But if it's like Binance Smart Chain, which are actually already exist on transaction, then it will go successfully without flinching, right? So automatically I've used doc to buy more hodl, right? So once the transaction completes, it will show a notification hop here. You could see it here. So I finally added to my token. It was 200 and some 200 million or thereabouts. Now it's 206. So it has added to my tokens now. So that is basically how to buy or sell or convert any token from one token to the other on Pancakeswap. So let's just pick one more conversion. Okay, let's pick mix. Just gonna be using little of mix. Let's just say 5 mix. Okay. Oops, mix does not have any activities on it before. Let's look for another token. So this is just basically the little way to get any coin on Pancakeswap. Basically, let's not just make this video long, let's just make it minimal. So this is just a little way to make it work. So I prove the same process, but if it's for those that are regularly used, you don't need to approve it. Let me try getting probably little using BNB. Let me just show you an example. So just click on swap, confirm, bam, you're good to go. So it's gonna show a notification here as well telling us it has been successful. Look at the digits here, 206, and this one I'm converting to or swapping my Ditto to hodl. Do you understand? So this is how we use Pancakeswap really. So you could see it here, that's finally swapped. So let me just show you the last one using Binance chain. Let's just pick 006. You can see the amount, here, and it showed you swap directly. So this is just all you need to do now is click on swap and automatically confirm it by showing the transaction fee, confirm it or approve it, then automatically it gives you this amount. So this is as simple as that. For any other more information, just watch the next video now to make more money on the crypto space. So this crypto exchange, one love guys. Subscribe, like, and give us a comment. One love. Have a nice day.